Hi, Karen Donovan with the Donovan team, bringing you another episode of Keeping in Tune with the Market, designed to bring relevant real estate information to buyers, sellers, and realtors to help you keep in tune with the market. Hey, this is Karen Donovan. I'm on the road with part 2 of how to make your home show like a model without breaking the bank. Stay tuned. In part 1, we talked about how to fix up the exterior of your home to make it look more appealing and help your house show like a model without breaking the bank. Today, we're going to be talking about the interior of your house and what are the best things that you can do in order to get a good return on your investment. Well, Angie's list talks about the kitchens and the bathrooms as being the ones that bring the highest return when you spend money on an investment. So whether you're thinking of selling now or later, it's a good idea to really consider some improvements in those areas. Now, do you have to do a full kitchen remodel and spend like almost 20% of the value of your home to get a return on your investment? Absolutely not. You can do things such as change out the countertops, maybe change the handles on your kitchen cabinets, and especially the lighting. If everything is outdated and goes back to the 90s or earlier, chances are you can spend a little money and get a great return on your investment. The second area to consider are the bathrooms. Again, if they're old fixtures, even the faucets and the sinks could be changed out, the toilet could be changed out, and also if you have an outdated vanity, that would be a great area where you could change that out and make your bathroom look totally updated when you don't want to have to spend a lot. If you'd like further information on how you can improve the inside of your home to get the highest return on your investment without breaking the bank, I have a free report, and if you'll click on the link below or text me at the number that's scrolling across your screen right now, I'll be happy to send that to you. Until then, we look forward to talking with you again. Remember to keep in tune with the market and make it a great day.